I'm Desiree, I'm 30 years old and I'm a product owner. When I was younger, I really didn't like my hair. I just don't think there was anything out there in the media or anything really that helped with how I can style my hair, how I can wear it. I know my mum really struggled to also know what to do with my hair. And then as I got older, I started doing my own research and found products that would help. And after a while, I found something that worked really well for me. And now I don't ever straighten my hair like I used to when I was younger. It's always curly, and I feel like my curls define me as a person. It represents me. It's who I am, so I'm proud now to be able to wear them really confidently, and it just always makes me feel great.